When considering GCPay for your church management software, there are several important points you need to know before making a purchase. You might be comparing it to other popular options like Breeze or Planning Center, but let's break down what makes GCPay stand out and what might hold it back. First, GCPay is primarily designed for streamlining the financial aspects of church management with a strong focus on accounting. If you're looking for a simple, intuitive solution to manage donations, payroll, and expenses, GCPay could be a good choice. It integrates well with your existing financial systems, which can save you time and effort in tracking funds. However, its limited functionality outside of financial management can be a downside if you're looking for a full-service church management tool. Next, GCPay's user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to set up and navigate. This simplicity can be a benefit for churches with smaller teams or less tech-savvy staff. But when compared to more robust competitors like Planning Center, you may find GCPay lacking in more advanced features for event management, volunteer coordination, or member engagement. The third thing you should know is that GCPay's pricing structure is transparent, which is a big plus for churches on a budget. However, it may not offer as many tiers or flexible pricing options as other services like Breeze, which could be a deal breaker for larger churches or those that need custom plans. Now, GCPay excels at donation tracking and reporting, providing an easy way to manage tithes and offerings. But it's important to know that the donation reporting is more focused on accounting rather than engagement. So, if you're looking for detailed donor engagement tools or marketing features, GCPay might not be the best choice. Next, GCPay provides decent customer support with email and phone options available. However, some users have reported longer response times compared to competitors, like ChurchTrack, who offer more immediate support and help guides. If responsive customer service is a priority for your team, this might be something to consider. The fifth thing is that GCPay does offer some level of integration with third-party apps and tools, but the selection is more limited than other software in this space. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution where you can connect your church management tools seamlessly, competitors might offer better integrations. The sixth thing is GCPay's reporting capabilities. It has robust financial reports that help you track donations, expenses, and even payroll. While this is great for financial tracking, it doesn't offer as comprehensive member or volunteer reports as something like Planning Center or Breeze. The seventh thing is GCPay's security features. It has standard data protection measures in place to ensure your financial information stays safe, but it's important to note that the overall security and privacy options are less customizable compared to top-tier competitors. Next, GCPay's mobile app can be handy for church leaders on the go, but it's somewhat limited in functionality compared to other apps like Breeze's or Planning Center's apps, which offer more features and ease of use. The ninth thing is that GCPay doesn't offer as many church management tools outside of financials. For example, if you need event scheduling or attendance tracking, you might find GCPay lacking in these areas. Competitors like ChurchTrack and Breeze provide these additional features as part of their core offerings. The 10th thing to consider is that GCPay has a relatively straightforward implementation process. However, larger churches may find themselves needing additional customization, which may require extra costs or third-party services. Next, GCPay does offer a free trial, which allows you to test out the software before committing. This is helpful for churches that are unsure if it's the right fit. However, the free trial period is shorter than some competitors, which offer longer periods to fully evaluate the service. Finally, while GCPay offers many financial features that make it a solid option for churches, if you're looking for a more holistic church management solution, you may want to check out other services like Planning Center or Breeze. These competitors offer a more comprehensive suite of tools that cover everything from membership management to volunteer scheduling, making them a better option for larger or growing churches. In conclusion, GCPay is a solid option for churches that need focused financial management tools, but if you're looking for a more well-rounded church management system, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.